So now let's move to autism, and we're going to call this the different operating system. So autism, this is something that there's a heavy suspicion that I have, is also known as the autism spectrum disorder, ASD, isn't a single experience, it's a spectrum, meaning it varies widely from person to person. So if Jack has autism, that may be different to Lisa that has autism, and vice versa. Think of it, again, we're using a metaphor of running a different operating system. While neurotypical people might run Windows, autistic people might run Mac OS or Linux. The system isn't broken. That's an important point. The system isn't broken. It's just that information is processed in a different way. So it's almost like you take the car analogy. The car isn't broken. It's just different cars. So what are the key traits? One of the key traits is social differences. Struggles with small talk, reading facial expressions, or understanding unwritten social rules. I can definitely relate to that. Sensory sensitivity, certain sounds, lights, textures, or smells can be overwhelming. I can definitely relate to that. And routine focused, prefers predictability and can find change unsettling. And as you can imagine, I can relate to that. And deep interests, passionate about specific topics, sometimes to an intense degree. And again, I can relate to that. Anyway, autism can also affect speech and processing speed. Some people may struggle to find the right words, while others may communicate in a way that's more direct or structured. Remember, autism can be different. Again, we gave the example of Jack and Lisa. They both have autism, but it affects them differently.